Coffee was first discovered in the desert by a starving outcast. He found the bean bitter, but after boiling it, he realized that the water was the better part. Returning home, he was declared a saint for his coffee, but its drinkers were despised by clerics. In the afternoon, a woman runs through old doorways and dusty alleys until everyone has gone to mosque. Then she goes to meet her lover. The thirsty sun raises the morning dewdrops and sculpts a mist, forming clouds of airdrops. The world lies dry until darkness brings its teardrops. In the morning, we race past Allah's golden dome to the green-grassed riverbank. The heat and noises of the day find our empty chairs at home while we read, write, and play. Nature provides us with a feast after the noon chimes ring. Our prayers are expressed to the balmy airs, while the day star shines as life happening. Here, in this idyllic place, the grapevines pour ruby nectar, and we are the cups to be filled. Passion connects us to the skies as flames that never lessen. Mother Nature has outdone herself with this prize. She shines beyond the radiant dome and curves gracefully like a poem. She is the eternal present, always at home. In this paradise, winged creatures arise and fly through the red rose garden. Dreams become reality and beauty blooms from many tries. The twin-born Peri is bred from the meeting of the hellish desert and the luscious turf.